Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to use Botim app in Dubai. First of all, open the Botim app on your device, then sign up for your account. I have already signed up. Go to the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen. After that, click the plus icon on your screen, select the person you want to call, choose between a voice or video call. If the person is online, your call will connect instantly. Besides making calls, you can also chat with your contacts. Tap the message icon at the bottom to start a conversation. Type your message in the text field and tap the send button. You can also send photos, videos, and even documents. To do this, tap the plus icon in the chat and select what you want to send. That's it. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.